Fenix Marine Services is one of the largest port complexes in the Port of Los Angeles. We replaced nearly 100 high-mast poles. Each pole had 12 fixtures that we had to replace.
The current lights had been installed in 1997. They weren't quite up to the either environmental or operational standards that we needed. So it gave us an opportunity to both economically and environmentally upgrade the facility.
Before we installed these lights, we had this orange glare to the terminal. The old control system for the lights was all manual, done by a timer. If a fixture would go out, you'd have to go and manually verify that fixture went out. When daylight savings time would hit, you'd have to go and manually adjust the timer, and it's very hard to do because it's old technology.
By putting in a more durable LED lighting system, we didn't have to worry about both lowered lighting levels when the lights went out, but also the disruption of having to change them during normal operations.
The new controls platform allows me to turn off all the lights in the morning, 30 minutes after the sun comes up, and then also turn them all on 30 minutes before the sun goes down. Additionally, for energy savings, once our second shift stops around 3 to 4 a.m., I dim all of the yard lighting to 50% for more energy savings.
I had had experience with the Midstream equipment at a previous development, so I had some assurance that the quality was there that I was looking for. Also, they were able to source a local partner to do the installations that I could trust.
The port was interested in maintaining the same lighting requirements that they had, but more importantly, they were looking to do an entire upgrade of the system. They were very interested in the type of energy savings that were also coming along with it, as well as the increase in safety and awareness that LEDs bring.
This was a very challenging project, both for the size, the 292-acre facility, as well as the location here within the Port of Los Angeles. Fenix and Midstream worked together in order to make sure that we did all of the permitting that was required and the coordination of the installation.
Midstream Lighting is much more than just an LED manufacturer. We're also a lighting specialist and a consultant really for the customer. Whether it be dealing with the regulatory requirements at the port or identifying local contractors for the installation, we're able to demonstrate that we've done this successfully year after year, project after project all over the globe. And that gives our customers a lot of confidence that they know that they can push this project over in our hands and we'll give it back to them successfully.
My favorite part about this project was how Midstream was able to closely work day in, day out with the installation contractor, and they were able to stay on schedule and not impact any of our terminal operations.
The upgraded Midstream lights allows us to have much better lighting levels and consistency through the yard. Makes the operations more productive, safe, and economically viable. We at Fenix Marine are very demanding customers, and Midstream was able to meet each one of those demands in turn.